Hey everyone, and welcome into this evening's video. I'm like on a hyper train again. I feel really hyped and I've got the giggles because it's a video about ALPP, and I was just doing some research as I was about to see if they have any more news before I made this video tonight. And funny enough, I literally clicked refresh on the Twitter page and someone in the Patreon had previously linked in the last hour some news and information that also had come out, which is fantastic. We have now, I'm reading up on screen right now in front of me on the screen, we have Kent Wilson's come out and he's actually done a new interview, and he's just said on the news right now that they have acquired a new company which is in fact called Alternative Laboratories. So this is a US based company, and again they are actually a very premium kind of more luxury brand that allow you to customize and make your own nutritional supplements and all sorts of different flavors and things like that, and different raw ingredients, which is very, very exciting because it's a different aspect they can bring to their business. Now this company is going to be very profitable for them. They put it in the stabilizer category, so that shows that they have nice gross profits, and again that hopefully will start to generate them some nice income over time. And it has been said in this interview that they had actually had some news. I'm going to bring it up on the screen for you guys now, that this company is expected to grow revenues by 40 million by 2022. So again, about a 90% increase there in their sales. And again, this 22 million is being generated while operating at only 15% capacity. So that's incredible. So again, they are going to have, you know, exponential growth moving forward into the future. With the company currently focused on expanding its global market share, there is ample room to accommodate new and existing customers. And this is quite exciting, guys. I actually have my own supplement label out in the UK here. I actually do manufacture my own brand, which none of you would know about, but it is very exciting because I remember the first time I started reaching out to manufacturers again, and I wanted to have my own, you know, product here in England. And it's so interesting that they are working with so many different companies. And again, this is another company that are saying that they want to grow globally. And again, they have been around for 39 years. I've been on their website. If we go on their website right now, we can have a little peek. Again, this is on their mission. They are an experience makes alternative laboratories better than the rest. They're saying our founder and CEO Kevin Thomas brings 39 years of experience in the nutritional industry. Mr. Thomas has invented over 300 unique nutritional products for retail brands and MLM companies. So this is quite exciting, and they are saying again that they are customized products. So that's really good. You always want that when you're looking for a nutritional company, is what I wanted. I didn't want to just have, you know, the same kind of product line. I wanted to produce my own, and again I wanted to change the packaging and make everything unique to my own customer experience. So I was able to do that with the manufacturer that I went for. So this is a very good element. It's something that I would look for, knowing myself full well how this industry works. Again, I did work in the fitness industry for a very, very long time. Probably you guys don't know that I have had my finger in so many pies. I would probably surprise so many people if they were to actually find out my real age and also what I have done with my CV across the world over the last 10 years. People would probably be absolutely amazed. But on here, that's not what this is about. I just wanted to go on the website. The website is very, very simple. I do think that it can be updated. I have not yet watched this video, so we are not going to watch that in today's video. But again, on the Twitter page, you can see that this was announced just about 2 hours ago. And again, there was a full interview. So if I come on here, you guys can see that this is the interview that Ken was actually in right now. So again, if you haven't watched that and you want more information, then be sure to go and check out that full video. I will try and get a few clips in if I can, if time allows with this. I do want to get this information out as soon as possible. And again, I can always do a full update again and a breakdown on that. But right now I do want to quickly talk about the technicals before I play any of those clips or add them on at the end again if there is time, because the markets have been absolutely crazy. We've had a significant sell-off again today. As you can see, a lot of the plays, Neo, Tesla down 5-6%, Palantir 5%. It's absolutely crazy. The markets are absolutely insane because you've got the NASDAQ on one hand that is up, well it's down 0.35% today, so it's barely, you know, scraping down from all-time highs, and yet you've got the growth and tech stock that's still being hit hard since February, and everything is just under so much pressure because there has been so much selling. There has been more selling, guys, since 2008. The most selling recorded about in the last 20 years from a lot of hedge funds. They are moving their money into, you know, banks and also energy. It's very, very clear that that is where the money is flowing to, because energy to date is up 40% and banks are up 27%. So this is where the money has moved to. So I do expect a rebound at some point in the year. Again, we are going to see a sideways market, as I said, for some time. So if you are strong, then you will be absolutely fine. If you do have a volatile stomach, then again, you are not going to like the turbulence that the market is going to bring over the next few weeks. And again, the majority of the pain, I do believe, has in fact been impacted recently as we saw that massive correction from February in a lot of the growth in tech stocks down 50%. I really don't think we are going to go down another 50%. It's just so unrealistic from these prices. The valuations would be far too cheap, and I think the money would just absolutely flow back in from the financials and energies because things would just be selling off way too quickly. Again, this is mainly the innovation plays, guys, which are going to be a good deflationary force. So not to worry about most of that, but ALPP, guys, is around $4. So this news did actually have some positive impact, and we did actually climb up just a tiny bit today, but we have since sold off and we are now down almost 3.5%. And this is another reason why I don't think that Ken is going to announce any good news about the NASDAQ, even if they know in the next week or two, just because the markets are so crazy. They can do some really, really good announcements that they are acquiring a new company that is going to be doubling their revenue over the next year. And again, they are expanding globally, and this company, ALPP, just continue to deliver fantastic news after fantastic news about how they are growing, how they are emerging into new markets, how there is going to be a NASDAQ uplisting in the very near future. But until these markets do settle, I don't think we are going to see a full announcement, because they are not going to get the true share price push that I think they really deserve, and of course what they are searching for. So once the markets do turn around with some of this turbulence, I'm sure we are going to hear, and again, that's when we are going to see a break around that $6 range, if not a little bit higher. So we are in an area, like I said, of consolidation, probably around, we do see a lot of support around that $3.75 to 80 cent mark, and again, we can expect those highs of about $5. So this is the new area of consolidation for ALPP. We do have a very strong support at around $3, and again, we do have another high support just before that $6 of resistance, I mean. So again, it is just about watching. Right now, we are again unfortunately having that little bit of selling in the market due to all of the overall pressure, and again, those penny stocks are going to be very, very heavily affected. And as this is an OTC stock, that's why we have seen a lot of selling. But I'm happy to hold this one for the long term, because we don't get bad news, guys, about ALPP. We only seem to get good news. So moving forward, if you are going to hold this for 5 to 10 years, I can absolutely say you're probably going to be very, very fine, even though they have yet to grow their revenues as a company and become profitable in a lot of their subsidiaries. Moving over the next 5 to 10 years, I really do believe that this company have some major plans, and Ken is not going to make the company look bad in any way. And I'm going to continue to hold. If we do see a drop below $3 ever, then again, I will definitely be scooping up a lot more shares. Again, if you would like access to any of my buy and sell alert signals or any of the charts that I draw technically on Sunday nights, I give access to all of my Patreons. I have started a new channel where I'm drawing up on charts every Sunday evening, and I'm giving out price predictions for the year on a lot of these plays where we can expect them to go in the next few weeks and months ahead, and again, also all those technicals. So if you are someone that wants to have access to all of that, then be sure to check out the link to the private Patreon. I will leave a link below in the description. I would love to have you guys on board so we can all do this full time, and again, we can grow and level up our portfolio to the next level. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. As always, if you did make it this far, then thank you for your support. You are absolutely incredible. My name is Jason, and now I've got the giggles, and I hope you guys are able to smash that like button for me down there if you haven't already, and also hit that big red subscribe button and help get this channel to 4,000. We are working really hard, guys, and I would love to see this channel grow up to 4,000 by the end of the month. That is the new target for us. If we can beat that, then that would be amazing if we got there by Sunday. So guys, that wraps up this video. Stay safe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Ciao.